Today, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Smartsheet. While Smartsheet doesn't have a dedicated bullet point button like traditional word processors, there's a simple workaround that lets you add them to your cells and keep your content organized. First, head over to your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and sheets are displayed. Now look through your existing files and locate the sheet where you want to add bullet points. Click on it to open that specific sheet. This could be a project tracker, task list, or any sheet where you need to organize information with bullet points. Here's something important to know before we proceed. Smartsheet does not have a built-in button for adding bullet points like you'd find in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. However, there's a straightforward workaround that works perfectly, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. To get started, we need to source a bullet point symbol that we can use. Open a new tab in your browser and search for bullet point copy and paste in Google, hit enter, and you'll see several results appear. Click on any of the top links that show up. These sites typically offer various bullet point styles and symbols that you can easily copy. Once you're on one of these sites, find a bullet point style that you like. There are usually several options from simple dots to more decorative symbols. Select the bullet point you want by clicking on it or highlighting it, then copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now head back to your Smartsheet tab, click on the cell where you want to add the bullet point. Paste the symbol you just copied using Ctrl+V or Command+V. The bullet point will appear in your cell. Right after that symbol, you can type your message or information. If you need multiple bullet points in the same cell, you can press Alt+Enter on Windows or Option+Enter on Mac to create a new line within the same cell. Then paste another bullet point and add more text. This method allows you to format your Smartsheet cells with bullet points, making lists and information much easier to read and organize. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.